What's going on, everybody? Well, today is recycle day, and I'm not only recycling, I'm recycling. I'm going to be using cardboard and putting it into my raised beds, filling up my raised beds. I have 18 inches of raised bed to fill up. So with that 18 inches, if I don't fill it up with something like cardboard, which is biodegradable, then my raised beds are going to have to be dirt, rocks, tree stumps, whatever I can to humiculture it in to fill it up, so I don't have to waste a lot of really good topsoil and garden soil inside of here. And I'm going to use cardboard. Now, I do have my cut resistant glove on me in order to keep myself from cutting myself, because I might do that. And if you're going to use this, you got to take the plastic off. So the biggest pain in the butt is taking the plastic off of your cardboard. Amazon's really good. Your Amazon boxes hardly have any cardboard, or excuse me, any plastic in the cardboard. I have a Amazon box here. So here's an Amazon box. And this is all biodegradable. Thank you, Amazon. On the other hand, I have this USPS box, United States Postal Service box. This thing is wrapped up with kinds of tape all over the place. And, you know, the shipping label. But this is a pain in the butt to get all this plastic off these post office boxes. And I know it's probably whoever sent it wrapped it up really like this. But I almost always see boxes that are coming that are the post office boxes get super wrapped up and make it so hard. It's almost more worthy just to throw them away instead of taking all this tape off of it and all this plastic. It's just crazy. So once again, thank you, Amazon, for doing things a little bit easier and a little bit more environmentally friendly. And I'm not a total greenie, but I do appreciate people trying to take care of the environment, especially big companies. There. Whew. Pain in the butt. So I'm going to be taking these and cutting them about that wide. Then I'm going to layer them in. One thing that I found last time I did this and filled one of these things up with cardboard is when you lay it like this, you get a lot of slugs in there. If you lay it like this, you have a lot less place for slugs to hide. Slugs like to live right underneath your cardboard. I'm still going to have some slugs, I know that. But having it like this reduces the amount of slugs that I'm going to have in my garden. It'll take about 2 seasons for me to have these things broken down enough to where the slugs won't be living underneath them. So I'm going to have to deal with some slugs, but it sure does save a lot of money and puts a good purpose with some cardboard that otherwise be hauled off and have to be sorted and a lot more energy to get rid of them. Let's do some more cutting. Oh, another thing. Paper bags. Paper bags go in there. Different types of food containers. Some French roast Keurig cups. And more of that paper bags. Packing material. You go in there too. Old papers, paper towel rolls. Heck, you can put paper towels in there. I put my paper towels in compost in the first place, so not too worried about this. And then regular filler paper. I'm going to keep going. I'll bring you back in either when I cut myself or when I get all this thing set up. I could have fit a whole bunch more in there. I got a lot of extra room in here. I just basically put in the paper bags in here to put a little filler in there. Now I got to add something to it to get it to start decomposing a little bit faster. I got just the thing. I got chicken poop. Put some chicken poop in there. That chicken poop will help it compost. I'll add some more chicken poop here in a little bit. All right, so I got one layer in here. Like I said, I could have squeezed a whole bunch more into this thing. The chicken poop's going to help it compost. It's really hot, and it'll get it going, so it'll start deteriorating a lot faster. Come Christmas time, when people get boxes left and right, I'll be able to fill this up pretty good. Probably go about this high on it, about halfway up. So one more level, basic like this. Keep throwing the chicken manure in here. Maybe some grass clippings, and just get the composting going in this bed. I also did this last year to my metal raised beds that I made, and they lowered down about this far, down from where they originally were at the top. So they lowered down about this far, compressed. Garlic came out great. Got my garlic hanging in one of my greenhouses. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, push the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.